In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first server and application on Cloudways. This beginner's guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have a solid foundation to get started with Cloudways, a simplified managed cloud hosting platform. To kick things off, open up your web browser and navigate to Cloudways' official site. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. You'll need your credentials for this part, so make sure you've got those handy. Log into your account to access the Cloudways dashboard. This dashboard serves as your command center on Cloudways, allowing you to manage your servers and applications. Once you're inside the dashboard, your next step is to add a new server. Find and click on the Add Server button. This action is crucial as it's the first step in setting up your virtual environment. The server is where all your application processes will run, so it's important to get this right. Now you'll see an option labeled Select Application. Clicking on this will allow you to choose the application you want to host. Whether it's WordPress, Magento, or any other application, make sure you select the one that suits your needs. This is where you lay the groundwork for the specific application that your server will run. After selecting your application, you'll need to specify your server's configurations. Click on Select Your Server to proceed. Here, you'll be able to choose different server providers and sizes. Cloudways supports several major cloud providers, so you may want to do a bit of research beforehand to decide which one best fits your needs in terms of pricing and capability. Once you've selected your server, you'll be prompted to pick a server type. Cloudways offers various server configurations tailored for different use cases. This ensures that your server is optimized for your particular workload, so take a moment to consider what will suit your application best. Now, head back to the main panel by clicking on Home. This will bring you back to the central dashboard where you can review your selections and make any necessary changes before moving on. Before wrapping up, there's just one more step: adding an application to your newly created server. Click on Add Application to finalize this process. By doing this, you're deploying your chosen application onto your server, readying it for use, and there you have it. You've successfully set up your first server and application on Cloudways. This setup not only sets you up for a robust cloud hosting experience, but also opens doors to scaling your projects as your needs grow. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy hosting.